Hi, I'm Danny West, CPA Managing Member of Danny B. West PLLC. First, we would like to thank the Chamber, the Chamber's Board, and all of our other Chamber members for this recognition as the Chamber's Business of the Week. We consider it very special to be recognized by our peers. Our office in Dunn opened in 2012, and we are very excited and pleased to be a part of the Dunn Chamber since our opening. Our practice was primarily in Wake County for 25 years, and I couldn't help myself this morning with a LeBron analogy that he took his talents from Cleveland, his home, to South Beach, as he said on his famous ESPN announcement, whereas we have brought our talents home to Harnett County from Wake County. And we are very pleased with the results, with being in Dunn, and for all the Chamber's assistance. Our staff is comprised of myself, Linda Stewart, a member of our PLLC, who is our tax manager for the PLLC and our office manager in Dunn. Daniel West, my son, a full-time staff accountant who is also presently pursuing his MBA at Campbell University in nearby Bush Creek, and who has quickly become a very important and integral part of our team. Marcia Wrench, a senior staff accountant for us who has over 30 years of experience in individual and small business tax, accounting, and financial statement preparation services. Gwen Smith, our office manager in the Coates office, who works providing tax and accounting services and is our QuickBooks Pro advisor in assisting many of our new startup clients in developing and or refining their internal accounting systems. And last but definitely not least, Jessica West is our office administrator, our smiling face and pleasant voice whom you will normally encounter initially when you contact our office. Jessica works in accounting and tax services, assisting other staff members, and coordinates all of us into a team that works like a well-oiled machine. But just don't pop in on April the 14th and expect to see us looking like that well-oiled machine. You might need to wait a few days after April 15th to see that machine. As to our staff's educational backgrounds, we represent a broad spectrum of North Carolina University colors and campuses of the red of NC State, the Carolina Blue Sky of UNC at Chapel Hill, the purple and gold of the ECU Pirates, the orange and black of Campbell University, and the Meredith College, Johnson Community College, and Southeastern Baptist Theological Seminary at Wake Forest banners. Regarding our services and clientele, we are a faith-based Central North Carolina CPA office offering tax, accounting, and financial statement services primarily in Western, Central, and Eastern North Carolina, with our two offices, one in Dunn and the other in Coates, North Carolina. For individual services, we would say that we can assist you from the cradle to the grave. It is surprising how much tax law now centers around the family and dependents of the family and the financial issues involved with those things with children, educational credits, and those type things. These services include individual tax services through estate tax filings. Our tax services are based upon planning throughout the year to result in, as much as possible, a known and predetermined outcome at the end of the year, with no surprises if possible. Of course, you could win the lottery on December 31st, so we must keep all things in perspective. And in tax law now, so many times, the answer to any tax question, as you all know, I'm sure, is it depends. So we will try to take you from there to a tax planning service, again, that ends in a known conclusion prior to the end of the tax year. We use the tax code to educate our clients to achieve the best possible tax results given their elements of taxable income and expenses. Our compilation and review and audits of financial statement services are based upon the unique needs of each of our clients. We work to meet the needs of the owners and, if applicable, the lenders involved in our clients' businesses. With my experience and knowledge originally gained working with McGladrey LLP, which was formerly A.M. Pullen & Company in North Carolina, I began an interest in the nuances of financial statement services and have continued that interest throughout my career. Have you considered, for example, in your business, being able to present the best possible presentation for tax purposes to legally minimize your taxes while presenting your financial statements using the best accounting principles and methods to maximize your net income and equity to your owners and as the financial presentation to your lenders? If not, for example, that's an avenue you might want to explore immediately. I know we have a limitation of time, but I would also like to indicate that audits of nonprofit organizations is something that we do. We have a number of those clients, and it's somewhat of a specialty area that has been in demand in the Dunn area. So if you know of anyone or you're part of any organization that might need an audit and it's a nonprofit, then we would surely welcome you to contact us. As far as my wife, Audrey, and myself, many of you know us, and our passion in our lives has been and continues to be working with those impacted by human trafficking in Southeast Asia. So surely anytime we could talk with you regarding that and our experiences there, we would like to do that. So we'd like to thank the Chamber for this recognition, and we would ask that if you desire to contact us, as I said, the first voice you will probably hear will be Jessica West, and you could call us at 910-892-0380 or find us on the web, and we look forward to hearing from you and remaining to be an active part of the Chamber in Dunn. So thank you again, Chamber, and all the employees, the board, and everyone. Thank you very much.